On to our second explore of the day, and all this is referred to is a small pool and cascade. So we're heading towards Wiseman's Ferry here, and we'll pass the function centre. So if you guys are interested in doing something small after the engraving site, as I was looking on Google Maps, this just happened to pop up. I don't think anyone's done a great write-up on it. So what's this function centre called here? Linton Gardens. Linton Gardens, okay.
Yeah, Linton Gardens.
So you head around here. So the next street, I think it's Silvestri. Is it Silvestri Street?
Yeah.
So on the left-hand side here, we have Sylvester's.
Yeah.
We have to turn left into Sylvester's, and that then, I think, merges with Robinson. And the walk starts from the end of Robinson. What a beautiful area. Is this still Somersby here?
Yeah.
There it is. It must be this road here. Just keep a lookout and see if this is Sylvester's.
Looks like it.
Looks like it.
Yep.
That's the one. So be mindful, you have to turn left after the function centre, and this tar road will end, and then Robinson is a dirt track, and at the end of that dirt track starts the Hawkesbury track on your left over a little bridge, and that takes you to the small pool and cascade. So we'll just film and show you where we're going to park, because I'm not going to go all the way down the dirt track. We're going to walk down the fire trail, I think it is. Beautiful farmland area. That first explore took a little bit longer than expected. We started that at about 20 past 7. It's now 10:44. We were hoping to have that finished around about 10, quarter past 10, but it wasn't to be. The long shelter was proving hard to find. Plenty of places to park on the side of the road here. So it looks like we're coming up to the dirt road, which is straight ahead, I think. Yeah, I think Robinson Road is down there. Does it look tarred? It is tarred.
Yeah, that's Robinson.
Yeah, that's Robinson. No, it's gravel. Yeah, and there might not be parking there. So what we'll do a 3-point turn, and we've got some beautiful parking just here. It's only a short walk down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So parking up. Look at this.
Oh, plenty of parking.
Yeah, plenty of parking here. All right, we'll start up again once we cross the bridge on the Hawkesbury track. We've got some barking dogs here. So on the corner here, Sylvester's Road and Robinson Road, you have a sign, the Great North Walk. So it looks like to be some huge loop. What kind of dogs are these? That's a funny bark. It's like a howl. Like bloodhounds. Mate, they're attack dogs. Yeah, one doesn't look so friendly. This guy here doesn't look so friendly. You got some nice watchdogs. Finnegan, settle down. This guy here is making all the noise. So it must be all the way down here. What a beautiful area. Once we get down here, Belle will go, "Why didn't you drive all the way down here?" That's what she'll say to me. "You could have parked just here, Prime, on the left-hand side. Look at these grounds." Wow. Surveillance camera. Beautiful driveway. The bottom of Sylvester's Road, this is what will greet you. A Great North Walk sign with a few arrows, and on this side I gather is the Hawkesbury track, the Great North Walk with the bushfire safety sign, and a notice. The link access track from Somersby Falls to the Great North Walk is no longer available. Access to the Great North Walk within this area is available from Sylvester's Road and Reservoir Roads, Somersby, National Parks and Wildlife Service, Girricool Picnic Area, Quarry Road, Somersby, Somersby Store, Wiseman's Ferry Road, and the Old Mooney Bridge, 75 metres north of the bridge on the Old Pacific Highway. So not the F3 M1, the Old Pacific Highway. Bridge still in half decent condition. And what we're looking for is a small pool and cascade. From the intel that I found, we've got to take the second track on the left, and I'm not quite sure how long along that track, but we need to see like a little creek that intersects, and once we see a little creek like this that intersects, it's straight down to it. This might be tricky to find unless we've got a few ribbons hanging, because I don't think there will be a sign. I just wanted to get another little explore in before lunch. Otherwise we'd have an hour and a half to waste in the car somewhere. Oh, it's a muddy track. Belle would not be happy. Dirty her beautiful boots. Must have rained up here through the week, which is a good sign that we might have a little bit of water running off the Cascades. You've got to tread lightly, because with thongs you flick up all that rubbish onto your shorts. Oh, she wouldn't have been happy through here. You see where people have put the logs down to try to get over without getting muddy. Okay, from this point on, it looks to be fairly dry. Belle's always on the lookout for squiggles on these gums, and this one has got them all the way up and down. Whatever little critter is doing this, he's left his mark. They are everywhere. Even on this one. That's my text message. I would say that's Mavericks. And the reason why I say that's Mavericks is today is Friday. I'm up here exploring with the beautiful Belle. And then tomorrow morning I have to get up at 4 o'clock because Mav and myself have got some awesome explores heading up towards Lithgow and then further up towards Mudgee. There's an abandoned site up there That's been closed since 2011, I think. Not too sure if we're going to get in, but if we do, it's going to make for some spectacular video. So a couple of videos after this one, if we're successful, you'll get to see what we filmed and photographed up there. Coming upon this arrow here on the Great North Walk is this amazing tree. Okay, I know exactly where we are now. There was a way to get to these falls by private property, and I seen the gate near where I parked the car, and you notice there? It's private property. So we could have actually come down his driveway. Okay, yeah, so I know exactly where we are now. Look at the size of that.
So wouldn't you go to falls uphill?
No. You could come down to the falls this way. It was a lot quicker than the way we came, but we wouldn't have gone over the bridge. Has someone done a fire in the bottom here? Looks like that it's been burnt out. There's your squiggly again.
So we're going up, are we?
Not going up that way, no, going down. I'm just saying, from the main road, or Robinson Road, you could come through his property and it would have saved us coming down the Great North Walk. So, yeah, it's down here. We just got to, if we can't find it, we'll just get on Google Maps and look for a creek. It's down in a creek. Robinson Creek. See, that might be the first turn on your left. So the next turn on our left, if it's a clear path on our left, that's what we need to take. So we've just come across these two dogs. I don't think they know each other. You reckon they do? Maybe the gentleman that owns them is down at the small pool in Cascade. I know. They're heading down this track here. See, I don't know if that's
There could be a body down there.
I don't know. I don't think the dogs knew each other though, because that one was real timid. We'll have to see if he's got a phone number on the tags that he's got. So we're continuing to follow this walk. We're just hoping to come across Robinson Creek, but where we cross the creek might not be where the pool and Cascades are. Although, no, I thought it was something, I could hear something running. We can't hear anyone yelling out for the dog though. Might be from that property, that private property. Just seems to be coming with us. Look at these Gymea lilies. Look how fire red they are. Wow. I haven't seen them that colour before. I know. Yeah. All the way through there. Yeah, there's a Gymea lily valley here. Check those out. How fire red are them? Maybe stand here and zoom in from here. Impressive. Impressive, yeah, right there I think, huh? You can get a shot there. There's a couple others here that have died. These guys have turned a completely different colour. That's the trail of the Gymea lilies. We've got some stairs heading down. Have a look at this thing. How wallowed out this tree is. Absolutely massive. So this should take us down to Robinson Creek, but whether or not we're at the exact spot of the pool and Cascades, I got no idea. This dog is lost. It's waiting for us. Yeah. I bet you he follows us back up to Robinson Road. We'll have to check his dog tags. There's a creek down here. Something's flowing. Very rainforesty area. Ooh, muddy. Very muddy. I wonder if we can come along the top there. Yeah, I think we'll come. Oh, that might be too slippery for Bill. We've got a bit of mud down here, Bill. The what? Yeah, there's something down here. I just don't know if it's the pool and Cascades. We'll find out. You reckon? I hope so. I thought it'd be a little bit more difficult than that. Yeah. Okay, wait till you get behind me here and I'll show you how to go about this. That dog's headed down there. You okay? Just be very careful. So you see the rock just here, hun? Yeah. If you step on that and grab the left hand side, there's a little dry track up to the left. And then you've got some stairs, but then it's muddy. Then it's very muddy. All the way down. I'm wondering if we can head through here. You see where I'm heading in the bush here? Just come in through there. And I think we can bypass all this mud. I hope this is the pool and Cascades because I'm getting rather peckish. The dog's waiting for us. Just be careful coming down through here, it's slippery, so put your feet sideways. Be very careful down through there. You grab as much as the branches as you can. Yeah, but just that last little bit there. All right, we done well. Back onto the boardwalk. Yeah. What a beautiful area. Oh no. It's the same one. Told you it's keeping up with us. I don't think it's meant to be down here. But I can't hear any whistles from anyone. Alright. Alright, leads you straight down to where that sound's coming from. Got a nice cave up in the distance there. We're getting close. Fingers crossed. This is the small pool and cascading rock. I can see something up in the distance there. Hey, stop eating. Could be poisonous. You found a bone. The dog found a bone. Yeah, he's got some sort of animal remains. I know. I don't think he's allowed to be down there. Come on, puppy. Look at the devastation down through here. Wow. This is probably why they're saying it's closed. Yeah, I think this is why they're saying it's closed. Yeah. Everything's washed down. Okay, so this is the walk, I would say, the original walk to Somersby Falls. Look at the vines hanging down. But this is the way to the small pool and the waterfall. And it's running. And it looks incredible. Oh no, isn't that major? Yeah. Major devastation. Is that another dog? Is that the same dog? Same dog. They've been down there with the chainsaw? Oh, okay. We can drop down into the creek here, hun, and walk up. It's pretty dry. Wow. How beautiful is that? I'm still not sold on whether or not this is what we came looking for. Is there a pool here? Oh yeah. No wonder it rates a 4.7. There's another one up there. Oh, puppy. You're giving me good video, brother. Don't shake near me. Don't shake. No, 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 stop. Go over there. You bugger. What are you doing? That little bastard. He followed me up the embankment and just... Be careful, you'll injure yourself. What's your name? He's got something on the bottom like a tracker. I'm wondering if I can get up on top there. Looks to be a little bit slippery here. I might try to make it up around the bottom there. We'll get a few pictures from here first with Belle, and then I'll make it on top of the falls. Let's see if we can make it up on top of the falls here. The dog has provided good entertainment for us. It won't leave us alone. The sun's peering through. It's going to be slippery up here. You're going to show me how to get up there, puppy dog. I don't think I'll be able to get up where you got up. I can get up through here though. Oh, he's barking at something. What's up there, pup? Is there an animal up there? What's up there, lassie? Come on, let's go have a look. Ooh, he starts to want to go there. Are you scared of the boulder? He was very unsure of that. Very unsure. Like I says, hang on there. I'm just going to take a video of the other cascades up here. Would you stop splashing around? You're going to hurt yourself. Come on, go. How am I going to get up there, dog? Oh. Oh my goodness, these ones are even better, Bill. Oh wow. I've got to try to get Bill up here. Oh. Incredible. Maybe this is the one they're talking about. And you got a cave. Oh, not so much of a cave. Where the water runs. There's an overhang all the way along. Look at him go, he's loving it. Have you been down here before? I think this dog knows this area. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. What are you doing, puppy dog? I don't think I can get Belle up here. So I've got it on video and she can watch it once we get back home. So if you're down here in the Hawkesbury track and you get down to Robinson Creek, make sure you head up creek a little bit to reach this cascading waterfall. I'm not quite sure if this is the one they refer to the pool or not. You'll go through two huge boulders. I'm just going to now go back this way and on top of the falls looking down on Belle to get a few pics, and then we'll probably be out of here. Come on, you're going to trip me up. Okay, so that's the way you would come. I could probably get it up here from there, but I'll see what she says. Oh no, this was not the way to go. This is too slippery. Don't come down here, dog, you'll kill yourself. I told ya. This dog's got the energy. You should see the other waterfall. Do you want to try to get to it? It's incredible, better than this. I don't know if that's the one they mean. It's up to you. If you want to just watch it on the film. All right. Up to you, Bob. Doggo, hey, get away from there. Hey, hey, push. Come on. Man, he's gonna kill himself. Puppy, come over here. Come on, up this way. Puppy, come on. Get out of here. This way, come on, over this way. Yeah, I will. I'm just gonna bring the dog down. Come on, up here. Yeah, call him down there now. That's it. Good work. You got him, well done. Yeah, keep him down there with you for the time being. That's it from down here at the small pool and Cascades. Bella's made her way back up onto the track. The very muddy track. It looks like this dog's going to follow us home. And once we get up closer to where the car is, we'll see if we can dial a number for this dog. Can you see the cascading waterfall right in the distance over there? Yeah, so this is why the Hawkesbury track's closed to Somersby Falls, I'd say. Bill noticed that someone's been down here with a chainsaw. And I've got to head back up there somewhere, so. There's not a lot of water in this Robinson Creek, but enough for the falls to be flowing beautifully. Well worth the trek down. Just follow the signs down. I thought there was a side track you need to go to, and there still could quite possibly be. I don't know if they were the actual pictures that I've seen online, but if not, we did come across something resembled a small pool and cascades. Just got to get down here safely. Yeah, the track headed straight down here. And unfortunately, there's no way through. You could make it through. If that's where the track goes, you could get through. You could rock hop, but you know, if you're bringing a family down here, no way, no. Be mindful, it's a steep walk back up to the trail and probably about half an hour away from Robinson Road, so I wouldn't call it an easy walk, but it's not hard, probably moderate. And it does get very muddy in sections. That's a good sign. when you pass things, you remember on the way down. Back through the valley of the Gymea lilies. Where were these ones that looked fire red? This battery is flashing red, which means it's nearly gone. There they are in the distance there. I would say that those two dogs came from up here. Now, unless he keeps on continuing up there, they're going to follow us all the way. See, that says beware of dog. So we're going to head through here. I hope he doesn't. Ah! You're going to get hurt, doggy. No responsibility from here. You're going to get hurt out on the roadway there, and there's other dogs that are going to go berserk. So we've seen a border collie, what looked like, that nipped off into the bush. Was very submissive when this dog went down to it. But if that was its driveway, it's not like it headed home. It's trying to sniff out something. We'll have a look. If he follows us all the way to the bridge, we'll have a look on his dog tags. So this is what we face on the way back. A bit of mud. I don't know if I filmed this on the way there. I've had to change the batteries. Yeah, it does look like that, doesn't it? It's funny how people have gone to the trouble of putting that there. Oil. Yeah. The Great North Walk. There's a number here. What is the number for if you get lost? Information and assistance. Say if you were lost and you get to this point, you have no idea where you are, and you've got that phone number there. It's like a godsend. My feet were...
You might be leeching today, but you're not.
No. Oh, was it this walk that they said to be careful of a few leeches? I'm not quite sure. Or was that 40 foot? Maybe that was 40 foot. Yeah, true. We've got to be close to that bridge now. It's that last little bit through the ferns, I think. And we're done. I can remember coming back the other way. It was dry after this wet little bit. Hopefully that dog's taken off to wherever he lives. Man, we would have been in trouble if he had fallen off that cliff and broken a leg. I would have had to carry him back.
This is the dirtiest one I've looked at.
Have they?
Yeah.
That's still not pretty bad. That's that's pretty good.
Yeah.
That's it.
That was well prepared down there.
It was, wasn't it? Well worth going down though.
Yeah.
Especially unfortunately you couldn't make it to the other ones, but the other ones were more spectacular than those ones, although they didn't have a pool. That's it. That's the second explore for today. Tomorrow I'm off with Mavericks on a few really interesting ones up. Look at that little birdie. I just saw around Lithgow when the central tablelands. So I'll bid you farewell from here. So on Robinson Road, from the Icon and myself, until we see you again on the next adventure or explore. Oh. Adios. I nearly fell over. Told you. Balanced like a mountain